In this video, we will learn how to unmute accounts on Threads. So, let's get started. I have opened my Threads account. If you don't have one for Android, simply go to the Google Play Store, install the app, and create an account. If you are an iPhone user, you need to go to the App Store. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. I have randomly opened different posts to show you how to unmute any account. Here I will show you two different ways to unmute the account. Simply press the account you want to unmute. Then go to the three dots in the upper right corner like this. You will get this menu. From here you can mute and unmute posts of the account you want to like this. And the other way is to go to the main page of your profile. Now press the globe in the upper left corner. You will get a menu with different options like private profile, mentions, muted, hidden words, etc., etc. Simply click the muted button where you will get all the accounts that you have muted. Click the account you want to unmute. See, you have successfully unmuted the account. Hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.